3 things you can do with money. Have you ever wondered why some people handle money and it multiplies, while others handle the same amount of money and it disappears like smoke? It is almost as if money itself has a mind of its own. And the truth is, it does. Because there are only 3 things you can ever do with money: you can waste it, you can spend it, or you can invest it. Foolish people waste money, average people spend it, but wise people? They invest. That is why some people rise into wealth and freedom, while others stay trapped in cycles of lack, no matter how hard they work. Now pause for a moment and ask yourself, which category are you truly in? Are you wasting money, spending money, or investing money? The answer to that question could be the difference between financial freedom and financial frustration. Let us break it down. When you waste money, you are literally throwing away your future. Every dollar wasted is a seed you threw on concrete, never to grow. And yet, millions of people do this every single day. They waste money on things they don't need, to impress people they don't like, for a lifestyle they cannot sustain. They laugh now but cry later. Wasting money is the fastest route to poverty, and yet most people cannot see it until it is too late. Average people do not waste money, they spend it. Spending feels better because at least you are exchanging money for something tangible. Food, clothes, entertainment, gadgets, rent. Spending is necessary. But here is the catch. If spending is all you ever do, then your money has no power beyond today. You are only consuming the fruit but throwing away the seed. And when the fruit finishes, you are left with nothing. This is why average people never break into true wealth. They live for today but starve tomorrow. And then there are the wise, the rare ones. They invest. They understand that money is not just meant to disappear from their hands. Money is a servant, and when invested, it multiplies itself. They plant their seeds in fertile ground, whether that is a business, an asset, an investment fund, or even their own skills and education. And as time passes, those seeds grow into trees that bear fruit, season after season. While foolish people are busy wasting, and average people are busy consuming, wise people are building harvests. And that is why the rich get richer. But here is where it gets deeper. Money itself is tripartite, it has 3 dimensions. Money is not just the paper in your pocket. It is spirit, it is soul, and it is body. And until you understand these 3 dimensions, you will always struggle with money. The spirit of money is called mammon. That is why money seems to have control over people's impulses, decisions, and desires. It whispers, it manipulates, it deceives. This is why people chase it blindly, even when they know it is ruining their lives. If you do not master the spirit of money, the spirit of money will master you. The soul of money is value. Value is what gives money its power in the marketplace. Why is one currency stronger than another? Why does one product sell for millions while another is ignored? It is value. Your ability to create, recognize, and exchange value is what determines how much money flows into your life. And finally, the body of money is currency, the physical paper in your wallet, the digital numbers in your bank app. This is the least important part of money because it is just a container. It carries the spirit and soul, but by itself, it is powerless. When you begin to understand money in this way, you stop treating it as just a tool to survive and start treating it as a force to master. You begin to see why wasting money is dangerous, why spending money is average, and why investing money is the only way to secure your future. So let me ask you again, what are you doing with your money? Are you wasting it on things that do not matter? Are you spending it all, consuming your present and destroying your future? Or are you investing it, planting seeds that will multiply and feed you for a lifetime? Here is the truth, your financial destiny is not determined by how much money you make, it is determined by what you do with what you make. The fool says, I'll save later. The average person says, I'll spend now. But the wise person says, I will invest today so I can reap tomorrow. Which one are you? Now, if this truth has stirred something inside you, I want you to do 3 things right now. First, hit the like button so this message can reach more people who need to hear it. Second, share this video with at least one person in your circle who needs wisdom about money. And third, comment below and declare it boldly, I will invest my seed. Write it, mean it, and let it be the beginning of your financial transformation. Because remember this, money is spirit, soul, and body. You either master it, or it masters you. The choice is yours. But the day you choose to stop wasting, stop merely spending, and start investing, that is the day money begins to work for you, instead of you working for money. Your future is waiting. The seed is in your hand. The question is, will you waste it, spend it, or invest it?